Okay, good morning students. Today we discuss about the last topic of our chapter alcohol, phenol and ether. Means we are discussing ether. Okay, see on the board, take out your notebook and pen and try to draw the figure which I am drawing on the board. First we do nomenclature of ether. इथर ध्यान बोर्ड पे रखो और लिखो जल्दी मोबाइल साइड पे रखो इथर सिंपल फॉर्मूला इज R1 again I revise the IUPAC nomenclature of ether and then we go for preparation and reaction. Ether, so you try to join this oxygen ROR. R means any alkyl or alkyl. In the middle it is oxygen. So less carbon you mix with oxygen. Okay, and give the name what? Alkoxyalkane. Means carbon जिसका ज़्यादा वो alkane नाम है. So here ether is not a main functional group. Main functional group here in IUPAC name is alkane. Remember alkane. फिर से मोबाइल साइड पर रखो. Alkoxyalkane. Then nomenclature is alkoxyalkane. याद है अभी भी मोबाइल पे ही है सर स्टार्ट करें वीडियो इस alkoxyalkane how to do nomenclature I am giving the example. Suppose it is CH3O CH3. The name of the compound is here on both the side carbon number is same 1 1. So you can join any of the carbon with oxygen. One carbon then methane. Methane react with oxygen. So name of the compound is methoxy. One carbon then methane. Second CH3 CH2 OCH3. Now here you can see on left hand side 2 carbon is there. On right hand side 1 carbon is there. Middle oxygen. So less carbon you mix with oxygen and main name is the alkane having more carbon. So name of the compound is 1 carbon oxygen. So it is methoxy. Okay, methoxyethane. Ethane means what? 2 carbon. Similarly, next example I am taking of aromatic. Benzene ring, then OCH. Here you can see carbon number in benzene is more as compared to 1 carbon. So this you make it methoxy. So name of the compound is methoxybenzene. Well, name of the compound. So आपको साथ में लिखते भी जाना है. तो आपको how to do nomenclature that you can understand. Well, methoxybenzene. Again, suppose it is double benzene. O and here also benzene is there. 2 benzene is there. So when 2 alkyl group is both is aromatic, then name of the compound means of any of the benzene you link with oxygen. That is known as phenoxy. Phenyl group when react with or benzene react with oxygen, then it is known as phenoxy. C6H5O. The formula is C6H5O. When again benzene is created, so it is alkoxyalkane. So here you speak benzene, but when it is mixed with oxygen, you speak what? Phenoxy. So name of the compound is phenoxybenzene. You understand? Phenoxybenzene. Okay, second we discuss that is preparation of ether. 2 methods are there. First one is dehydration method. Okay, and second is Williamson. Scientist name is Williamson method. In dehydration, so dehydration of alcohol dehydration of alcohol produce ether. How? I am writing CH3CH2 OH. So here you have to take two molecules. Dehydration always take place two molecules of alcohol. So this plus again CH3CH2OH. You heat it at 400 degrees Celsius. Above 450 or 440, instead of dehydration take place from same compound and alkene is formed. So temperature will be what? Again remember, less than this. Less than 400 Kelvin. If it is more than 450, 440 onwards, then alkene will be. So here again dehydration. How dehydration take place? CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2, these two molecules of alcohol you have to take. Dehydration brings OH from one alcohol and H from other alcohol. Unite together and it will produce water. So compound will convert it into CH3CH2O, CH3CH2O plus water. Okay. Again we write the IUPAC name. 2 carbon on both sides. 2 carbon is there. So it is 2 carbon then ethane. So it is ethoxyethane. Okay. Slide you have to repeat. अगर ये भी याद है टेम्परेचर क्या रखना है आपको कम ज्यादा करोगे तो here mark on it. OH from this carbon and H from this carbon. तो alkene ethane बन जाएगा. Okay, so we have to slowly heat. So this is the dehydration method for preparation of ether from alcohol. Second is Williamson. Williamson reaction is RON, means sodium salt of alcohol लेना. क्या लेना है? बोर्ड पे देखो. When you write sodium salt of alcohol. First I am writing in R form, and then we take the example. This react with R-Cl. R- means what? It is another carbon. You can take one carbon, 2 carbon, any methyl, ethyl, propyl, methyl, benzene. Okay? Here also this carbon. So we will take 2 or 3 examples related to this. Williamson. This when it react, then this NaCl will join together and will form what? NaCl. And our compound will convert it to ROR. ROR means क्या बन जाएगा? Ether. Understand this? Again I am writing one reaction related. First CH3ONA. Name of the compound is mobile side पर रख दो. Again I am telling. तुम्हारा ध्यान नहीं है. Mobile side पर all students. Concentrate on here. CH3ONA. The name of the compound is one carbon, so it is methyl. OH, then it is methanol. So sodium salt of methanol. Sodium methoxide. Sodium methoxide. When it is treated with 2 carbon, CH3CH2Cl, then this carbon and this carbon unite, and in the middle it is oxygen. This Na and Cl it will be separate. So I am writing minus NaCl. And compound converted to CH3O, CH2CH3. 2 carbon, 1 carbon. Again IUPAC name we have discussed. Alkoxy alkane. छोटा कार्बन हो वो ऑक्सीजन के साथ जोड़. So it is methoxy. So name of this ether is methoxy. 2 carbon then it is ether. So it is methoxyethane. Second example we take of this Williamson index. Okay, I am taking CH3ONA when it is treated with chlorobenzene. ध्यान देना. Aryl है. क्या लिया मैंने? दोनों भी. Here also you can take the benzene. Then this what? Di-aryl ether it will form. दोनों तरफ बेंजीन आएगा, बीच में ऑक्सीजन आएगा. Again sodium methoxide when treated with chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene when treated with sodium methoxide. Again minus NaCl. This and this will combine. In the middle it is this. So first I am writing benzene. So benzene ring means it is R, then oxygen, and then it is one carbon, that is CH3, and NaCl will be separate. So if on both R if it is different, then it is known as mixed ether. Okay, mixed ether. If both R is same, then it is simple ether. Name of the compound, less carbon you joined with the oxygen, then it is methoxy. Then methoxybenzene. So it is aromatic ether, methoxybenzene. The reaction is very fast with primary alcohols reagent. If you take tertiary reagents, then steric hindrance will form and ether will not form. Okay, here secondary, tertiary alcohol ether if you want to react, then reaction will be very slow and formation of ether will not take place. So this is known as simple ether and mixed ether. Williamson synthesis. Again I revise, remember this. Sodium alkoxide when react with alkyl halide. Halide कुछ भी ले सकते हो आप. Chlorobenzene ले सकते हो, iodine, bromo, RCl. This NaCl will separate and we get ether. So that is known as Williamson synthesis. Next we discuss that is reaction of ether. Okay, next we discuss the reaction. Okay, reaction of ether. So two type of reaction we discuss, that is first one is electrophilic reaction and second one is nucleophilic reaction. Nucleophilic reaction means negative ion will be separate and electrophilic reaction mostly take place in benzene, means in aryl ether reaction will take place. So give the title reaction of ether. In terms of physical properties, okay, melting point, boiling point of ether is more as compared to that of alkane, but alcohol has more boiling point. So remember this: carbon number increases, boiling point increases. Because of O is electronegative, that's why intermolecular hydrogen bond. Use of the ether is mostly used for organic solvent. Okay, two type of reaction we will discuss. Chemical reaction, that is of ether. So I am taking one ether, that is CH3OCH3. So it is methoxy methane. First reaction, you add what? Halo acid. इसके अंदर कोई भी एसिड ऐड करो, HCl, HBr. I am adding HCl. Then compound will be converted into. First I will break this bond. So first it is converted into CH3I. Okay, sorry, it is chlorine, so I am taking chlorine instead of iodine. So it is CH3I. Suppose this chlorine attack over here, then it is converted to CH3I, methyl halide, and oxygen will be over it. Means it is CH3OH. In second step, whatever alcohol forms, this alcohol again react with HCl, and it is converted in this OH will react with H, so it will form water, and our chlorine react with our alkyl group, so it is CH3Cl plus water. So this reaction is nothing but it is what? It will gives, ether will gives alkyl halide, halogen बन जाएगा. I am writing second reaction CH3. Okay, two step कैसे बताया? Either be alkyl halide and alcohol, but this alcohol again react. So you have to use what? Excess of HCl. HCl क्या ऐड करो एक्सेस में, तो डायरेक्ट दो टू मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ alkyl halide will produce. Again I am showing the reaction. If it is unsymmetric and you add excess of HCl, then excess of HCl means what? Two molecules. This also converted to halide and this also is converted. It is separate. So it is converted into CH3Cl plus CH3 CH2Cl means methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, and these two hydrogen react with oxygen, so water will come. So understand this? If it is halo acid, then it is converted into halogen. Our ether is converted into halogen. So this is the first reaction, that is known as halogen, means what? Nucleophilic reaction is there. Second reaction we discussed, that is electrophilic reaction. Electrophilic reaction. But before we go to this, I am taking one more example. Suppose you take methylphenol ketone, aromatic. In this, if you add HI, इसके अंदर HI ऐड करो, halo acid, then this compound is converted into alkyl halide, means what it is? Hydrobenzene बनेगा एक, second molecule is CH3I, and byproduct is what? Understand this? HI, so two molecules of HI. It is converted into, just like that chlorobenzene is obtained, here दोनों तरफ bond break होगा and converted into halogen. So this type of reaction is nucleophilic reaction. Nucleophilic reaction. Okay, second type of reaction, that is electrophilic reaction. Electrophilic reaction means what? Taking place in benzene. But our is what? Ether. So in ether, electrophilic substitution we want to do, then you have to take aryl ether. Benzene wala ether lena padega. So I am taking benzene, then OCH3. So this is methoxy benzene. कॉमन नेम इसका लिख देता हूं, मिथाइल फिनाइल ईथर, छोटा कार्बन पहले बोलो, तो दैट इज मिथाइल. और दिस सिंपल नेम याद रखना है, मिथाइल एक कार्बन, बेंजीन इट इज फिनाइल, एंड ऑक्सीजन यू स्पीक ईथर, so it is known as methyl phenyl ether, common name. IUPAC name is methoxy. Now in this various reactions we are doing, first one is halogenation. तो उसमें क्या ऐड करना है आपको? Cl2 ऐड करना है इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनहाइड्रस AlCl3. आगे भी हमने डिस्कस किया. So this chlorine will enter into the benzene ring, electrophile this OH group. Okay, I am writing on the top so you can understand properly. Okay, where there is a ortho position and where there is a para position. This OCH3 group, methoxy group, is ortho-para. So two compounds will be obtained. First OCH3, so chlorine will enter into ortho position, plus chlorine will enter into para position. This benzene OCH3, again third name I am writing. Give attention. Sometime instead of this IUPAC name, another name is given, that is anisole. Name of the compound is anisole, just like aniline. Okay, anisole, याद रखना. So this anisole reaction we have done what? Halogenation. Halogenation, iodination, bromination जो भी करना है आपको. This chlorine group entered to ortho position or para position. So it is known as 2-chloro anisole. And here it is on the opposite, so it is para position. It is known as 4-chloro. 2-chloro anisole and 4-chloro anisole. Similarly, if you do nitration, Okay, nitration, then you have to take the mixture HNO3 plus H2SO. Okay, now I am not writing the name. IUPAC name, you can get idea from this. Again, this nitration if you do, then again two type of product will be obtained. Okay, from NSO. OCH3, then on ortho position or second position nitro group is there. So name of the compound is what? 2-nitro-NSO. And second product which is obtained, that is known as para. So it is 4-nitro-NSO. Okay, 4-nitro-NSO. Third reaction in NSO, that is acylation. CH3 COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. तो ये हमेशा याद रखना. Another is alkylation. तो क्या ऐड करना? Alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is treated with anhydrous AlCl3. तो alkyl group enter होगा, methyl ethyl propyl. Here it is what? Acyl. So name of the compound I am writing, give it. Here it will be OCH3. On this ortho position, acyl group will be entered. So it will be what? COCH3. Now, name of the compound is changed. Second product is also obtained, that is that group will goes to COCH, which is para position. One name I am telling. Then if it is COCH2, then ketone will form. Okay, methyl phenyl ketone. So ketone group आ गया. Ketone group very strong group. So name of the compound is acetophenone. क्या बन जाएगा इसको? Acetophenone. Now this is the main group. Number 1 ये होगा. Number 2, so it is what? 2-methoxy. 2-methoxy acetophenone. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. OCH3 is there. So it is known as 4-phenoxy. Sorry, 4-methoxy acetophenone. Acetophenone याद रखना. Acetophenone. Benzene ring. So name of the compound means what? Acetophenone बनेगा. ध्यान देना, ये भूल जाओ. Ketone group. So this name here is COCH3. तो उसको अब number 1 दे दो. Your busy strong group, ketone group, as compared to ether. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 4 carbon it is methoxy. So name of this compound is 4-methoxy acetophenone. And here it is 2-methoxy acetophenone. So these are the different electrophilic substitution reaction of ether. Similarly, third reaction or fourth reaction also you can write, that is alkylation. तो आपको क्या ऐड करना है उसमें?